Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey my lovings, I hope you guys are good. I'm not sure if this is an opening of your vlog or it's a continuation of your vlog. I'm really not sure what's going on at this point, but today is a Saturday and I'm going out for a brunch with my girls. I'm not gonna make up out of my face, but yeah, we're just going for a brunch and then just have a catch up because so yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna show you guys the full fit, but I am a makoti that I am today, but I'm gonna show you guys the full fit. Even forgot to update to Kesana guys. We got here, I think we got here like 10 minutes ago. But you friends should get a lot, don't but that's also what I'm going to understand. So today is a Wednesday. The date is I think the date is the 20th of May. Yeah. So we are getting ready for the arrival of Lamdo Charles Ofika. So we are doing our last shopping. Not even our last shopping because we didn't do any shopping for him. Because the reason why you haven't done any shopping, we're just waiting to see what gifts was for Mana. So yeah, now at least we know what we got because we're not so we are going for shopping. We're not even going for a shopping actually because I don't think the shopping we're gonna spend much of Imali. I still spend up of Imali because we have a gift cards, so we are going to spend as a gift cards and then see as investors for Mana. So yeah, Sana, it's getting real. And Sana, I found myself googling Bana Zindoni that I'm gonna need for him for a bag, a hospital bag, because I need to start packing a hospital bag because I can be you anytime from now. So I think this video I'm gonna edit with Beth vlog. I think I'm just gonna edit with Beth vlog because I'm not gonna edit Woku, you know. So yeah, what else? So we just need to get the essentials with that we know we're gonna need, like is this one wipes, toiletries, and all that. Yeah. So wish me luck. Sana nindibasele isigelego esinehleleyo ekuseni. Andigowanga. So when I woke up ekuseni, I prepared with him before his call, and yeah, that was that. So xa ndisithi kule ndawo endime kuyo guys, igazi like i-dots zegazi, kukho i-dots zegazi. I started panicking. I'm like, hey, but what's going on? why ndizophuma kuzoba negazi. But also I'm not checking myself ne, but ndiyalibona igazi liphantsi and likule ndawo ndime kuyo, so ndikhawulezise ke ndiyongena ke ndiye kwi-transport ndiyodropha imike i-transport. Xa ndibuyeyo kwi-transport yayibona lapha estupini kukho igazi, apha estupini endlini kukho igazi, and I'm like hayibo, I started panicking like ndagoa guys, that no Thixo sizanenzele loo nto, there's just no way Thixo uzanenzela loo nto. Xa ndingena endlini xa ndiyoyika ke ngoku yozijonga etoilet because hayibo xa ndifika etoilet ngiyane ndizijonga hayibo akho nto like ndiclean, akho gazi, akho nix. And I'm calling my husband ke ngoku ndisapenika baby sana kwenzeka this and that, and he was like okay uzobuya. Xa efika ejonga laa nto, it's not even igazi, sisitoki. I think uime besitya isitoki or something, but yachitheka andiyazi bebesitya ntoni, but yachithekela phaa yafomisha into engathi zii-spots zegazi ke ngoku. And estuphini ayilo gazi, laa nto yopeyinta umnyango, I panicked son, I panicked, but no, they're right, like akho nto. Umntanam started kicking and I'm like oh Jesus, caba uyandiva manje yakho. So ke guys, ndizobalisela just loo nto. So kuyanetha guys, it's drizzling in Cape Town, it's raining like nobody's business, but yes, ngoNoah siphume for the city because asifuna ucupha ixesha sithi soyothenga ngexesha elithile and then end up endeleka umntanam engenazinto. So we need to get everything we could get kwangoku. So I guess this is an opening of i-birth vlog yethu, and I will see ukuba i-birth vlog izokwenzeka. I'm just hoping izokwenzeka, but yeah, something. Another day, another dawn, and another dawn, but another day. So today we are going for shopping again. So when I got home, I noticed that there are things that we didn't get. So Goku, I didn't notice proof. I had to ask which one that I'm gonna need, and then she gave me a list that I'm gonna need. So yeah, so we're going for shopping and also see we can get a few stuff. Then yeah, we'll see where we can get a few stuff. There's a shopping I'm done. I pay because I thought by now so it's just Kabile, and I'm only a few days. I'm only a few days to my due date. So yeah, let's go shopping together again, guys. We'll see what we get. Guys, so I'm walking at the mall. There's a for the baby that we still need to get. Sana, and I'm feeling it pains. I'm not sure if it's time. But it pains and I cannot take it anymore, Sana. And there's no other pains. But I'm just hoping it's not what I think it is because I'm not ready. And even the rate, like some people but like I'm ready. Oh, and yes. But I'm gonna update you guys if anything changes. I'm just gonna get home and see by his pains is correct. And then if not, I'm gonna have to rush to a hospital. But for now, I'm feeling strong. I'm also on the happy. But hey, but let's see how it's gonna go. So guys, I just got home like a few minutes ago. And I think I'm okay, like I'm feeling much better. Maybe it was just a false alarm. But also, like because I'm only left with 7 days to my due date. So each and every time you feel pain, but the pain was worse this time. So
I think I'm okay. So I'm just gonna finish packing a bag. I'm just gonna do that in the morning. I'll see. But I think but if I'm just gonna pack the bag and yo, Sana, this is the most stressful time of my life. And yes, hey guys. So the time is almost 12 o'clock. I think it's now 10 to 12. And we're just 10 to 12 and we're just getting ready now to go to Esbedlele because the pains are unbearable. I cannot take it anymore. Sana, we are sure. I'm not even sure if I'll be able to vlog for you guys fully, but I'm gonna try and take some snaps here and there. But yo, I am dying. Literally, I am dying. But let's go, guys. Woo! I thought in the message or something, but now the pains, they come and go. And yo, I get fever, son. Let me go, guys. I'm gonna see you at Esbedlele. I'm gonna give you an update. Hopefully this will work. So yeah.
Some killing pains. Dizomane ndizimba, dizomane ndibisa kancinci and take some shots for you guys, but yo, hayi andiyazi le nto ndikuyo sana, andiyazi le nto ndikuyo. Buhlungu abezantsi and le nto ngoku, I swear sana ndiyaqala uba nomntana, ndiyaqala uzala because I don't think there's pains ndakhe ndaziva before pains. Isubalekisa torho. So yeah, guys, we're still on the way.
Yo, my guys, I come back. I think it's an hour later. It's an hour later. And this is Esbedlele. And guess what? Someone is here, guess. The little one, Ufikile. Hey, I'm gonna give you guys a story. I'm gonna tell you guys about what's again doing, but my baby is here. And good day. He's just going to get something to eat.
Around about past 2 to 1, past 2.
Yeah, the time is 5 to 2. So he's just going to get me something to eat because there's no lamb. Yeah, it's been an hour. So the pains sana and yes, those pains is there. By London, look at Lola. Look.
We have something here. We have something. There's someone.
And stuffy zipates. Sana and the other uncleanness is like I'm going to but the pains are unbearable. Abizans, not in their room once again. So we're just having our first meal of the day. The time is around 8. Must be discharged for today because I don't think you can resist. besides his bangs and the nazo. So I think we're going home to little munchkin. Little munchkin elele apha ke. Umntu kamama omhle sana. That looks exactly like Amy. So let me eat, guys. That's just the oats. She's gonna have that. And things like inyama ngigqibileyo because azinditye oats yodwa. So yeah, just wanted to give you that update. That's right, but ndiyaphela zibenzi. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. May sini kali. Hey my dolls, another day, another day on God, so today we are going for the appointment at your car, and I think we're going for injections. I'm not sure, and they are going on behalf of her shame because also we are a grumpy and I feel like if was on top of I'm just hoping that was because grumpy grumpy and then now it's gonna be hell and back some, but yeah, it's a clinic and now
Morning, my girl. Masambe. Masambeni. Masambe. Yes, mama. Yeah.
Hey my dolls, so it's another day of this video. So today I just want to take you guys through the unboxing of this baby cradle. So baby has only used this, she's now 5 days, she's 5 days today, and I just want to unbox this thing so we can set it up. I'll show you because we are so I just want to set it up with you guys and see that but if I'm quasi, then Uhab is going to help me. But if I'm just going to do it alone because I'm just by Injani. So I'm just going to figure that out with you guys. So, and yes, but why it take a lot? And that's why it take a lot. Why if never is this is a lot of work to do. So let's see if we can figure it out. Okay, I don't think I have to go all the way down for it. Let me see. It's heavy. It's so heavy. Sana, Mr. Man has to come to rescue. Yours now, it seems like it's a lot of work. It looks like this was made up of heavy to see like because I don't think I can do that this house alone. I wasn't good like that. So yeah guys, this is how it looks. Okay, but I don't think it's also come on the others and about I think we use the assembly shot because now about here already you can see her. And then we see this means again when I was in here. Yeah. Comes a lot of stuff. And then it's I think it's a little bit in. But I'm not going to come on. And why does it look like? Okay guys, let me just try and figure it out. And then I'm going to show you one and the other is on a pillar key. But let me just try and do it. But this is how it looks. And it has a lot of stuff. If it doesn't get up and out, so I'm just going to try and do that. And then I can go with the process. So this is where I am. So for level, you can actually use it to work. It's a nice sponge, see, and just press it because it's time, so I'm gonna have to get a senior because it's not gonna do the work. So if I got use screws, and then you just lock. I think you can lock them over. Okay, let me just put in screws guys, and then I'm going to show you. And I am done. I'm not really done, but I think I tried. Here it is. And then it's a storage thingy. I think you can put it blankets, zako up and other stuff. And there's also this thing. There's also this net, but I don't think they fuck it for now. Maybe I fuck up, but I don't know. So this is how it looks. So I can give this thing a 7 out of 10. The reason why I need to 7 is because of the mattress. Sana, it's really not giving. Mattress why you like it's so hard. It's so hard. I need to get another one. Mattress because was for now. Maybe the baby or something. Then I was comfortable. But Sana, so yeah, guys. That was the first unboxing that I had to do with you. I'll see, maybe once I'm gonna unbox in. What am I unboxing tomorrow? I'll see that unbox and don't go so, but yeah, this is the first thing I needed the most because it's really not giving. So yeah, you guys, that was just that. I hope I couldn't take you guys through the process because I had to do a lot of stuff for bandi was assembly shaka kuhle. But yeah, so let me just put this in the room and then I'm gonna show you guys. So okay guys, I remembered bana umakazi wakhe got her this mosquito net. I think yeah, it's a mosquito net in the net yayo. And this is a mattress and uqinile, like alright, comfortable kakuhle. And so I'm thinking of using wona ngoku and then until ndifumane omnye, because lena into it's not for a baby cot. I'm not sure bani and get her. So I'm gonna try and get a mattress yakhe, but for now I'm gonna use this thing because we send big fleece and I'm thinking about it looks so untidy. So I might as well just use lento, and then once ndifumane mattress uzosebenzisa le mosquito net yakhe, and then lento uzoyisebenzisa for the longest time because okwazi noyisebenzisa nasesummer. So yeah, isebenzele ngoku, isincedile ngoku. Love it for us ke sana. So umuntu wayuzolala kuyo ke nezwe ndikhefuzela, but umuntu wayuzolala kuyo ke ngoku. I love everything about it. So yeah guys, hello baby, hello Nini, hello, hi baby, hi, Bravo. Hey my loves, hey my day ones. Sana andikhumbuli ndisenza intro kule video, but unfortunately I'm not about to do an intro ngoku sese late obviously. Yeah, this vlog is just so messy, but guys ngicela forgive it. Ngicela nithathe le nto endinika yona for now because kokhupha le video ibisa struggle. You guys know my situation like niyayazi. So yeah, so this is just a continuation of the birth vlog. So I just want to give you guys a story of Bakwenzekendone because I'm sure you guys can see but I didn't capture much, and unfortunately share me confused but I birth vlog and then the next thing I don't have much. So yeah, so I'm coming back from a mini shopping with for the little one because akanazinto unazo phofu izinto but into zakhe beziblue impahla zakhe, and then ezinye sizijikisile ezinye ke fine asibazange uzijikisa, but yeah that's okay, uzazinxiba wethu zezakhe nazo. So yeah, I just want to show you what I got at Woolies. Yonke le nto ndiyithenge ka Woolies. Also guys, Asana, I am so happy with these. I am so happy with these. I never guys if it's a good idea for uthenga size 1 omngaka because it's 96 is and it's in size 1. But ziyakhawuleza mani uphela, ziyakhawuleza uphela. So I think this is right. So yeah. And zisandretha kakuhle for now. I'm not sure bana it's because usemncinci okanye kutheni, but for now I am so sana lighting itheni sana. Yo, mansenbe dark ke. I'm gonna be Okay, I think it's fine. Whatever. So yebo. Umntana msana oko ebenoblue, oko benxiba oblue, even iminqwazi yakhe sana izi-colors izi-colors ezirongo sana, zi-colors ze-baby boy, but ke ya umama yakhe ke ngoku finally decided uba makam-upgrade with these. Oh, I love, they are so cute. Ayikho shushu yona, but i-cute man, iphuma mi-3. So it's 3 beanies and I love them so much. So yeah, that's the first thing we got. And we got Ezi vests. We got them 1 to 3 months. And as noba also it's a good idea for uthenga izinto ezoku 1 to 3 months. Iyo okanye iyo andiyazi guys, but also andifuni wethu umntana amanxiba izinto ezinkulu. Andifuna anxiba impahla ezinkulu. So I got these 1 to 3 months. I'm thinking uba I was supposed and I think this is a bad idea. I think I was supposed to get 3 to 6 months, especially kuba easy vests. Maybe ndizophinda ndizijikise, yes. But I'm a newborn. Maybe ndizophinda ndizijikise, I'll see. Maybe ndizophinda ndizijikise. Oh, but I think I don't think that's jikise. I think the size are right here. I think the size are right. So it's 3. It's this color, it's Lena. And then it's Lena, grayish. So those are my girls, guys. I'm sure you guys can see from the color, but sizi girls thina. So nemnqwazi yakhe, but azihambi zonke wethu azimechi, but ke I'm gonna try and make them work because funeka zisebenziwe. And sana guys, ngicela ningathethi le nto ithethwe ngutata yakhe ngoba ndithenga ezi zinto, because I got le romper ne, and I also got Lena. Uthi ziyafana guys, azifani ezi zinto. This is pink and Lena it's purplish. Let me show you guys. You asazangathi ziyafana ngiyanqwazi lapha, but nazi these colors azifani guys, they don't look the same at all. So I also got these in 1 to 3 months, because with 3 to 6 months already she has, or not 3 to 6 months I think not 3 to 6, yeah, she already has 3 to 6 months, and there's no bangali and ibakhulu akazobanxiba ngoku. So that's why I decided about let me just get 1 to 3 months. So I think this is gonna work. So one thing about your romper zakawulize sana, they are the girl. Zishushu guys, the quality yabo is amazing. I'm so happy. And lastly I got these. Atobonakale ba ngamantombazana ke sana. Abonakale ba uyi-girl ke sana. Hayibo mntana monke benxina impahla zamakhwenkwe. Oko ngapona mama ke upgrade with some pink. Upgrade mama ke with some pink stuff ke sana. So yeah, that's that. I got everything from Woolies. And not to buy this email and doesn't price. Let me check. Buy a receipt. Busy 800. I got all these for 800. Yo, I need one. Sana guys, now let me just take it. Well, I thought I was gonna do this as quickly as I can, but it doesn't look like this. So I'm just gonna take it and make a lap. So she's just sitting on my lap, minding her own business. I'm trying to feed her botile because I think ulameno lamba shem. I think unaine usawuzela ngokozela. Then make papa, but she decided, but no, she's done. Akazoyenza lonto. So yeah, so at least I wanna be as fast as I can for baathe qaluba cramping bese ndigqibile. So ke ngoku guys, asikho side nesi story because everything happened so fast. So asikho side esi story. I'm just gonna tell you guys lento yenzekileyo and then yes, be right. So it was on a Saturday, ne? Vukile Saturday, everything was okay. Like I was okay, the fresh yonke into was mna ke oko fresh, not oko fresh for I was sick ne yazimos babeni basel. I was sick like sick and then ndaba right up. I think probably 7 months ndaba right, ndaba better, not that being right, but I was better probably 7 months. So oko fresh ke from ngoko, like oko fresh because bengenaso nesithu esikhulu, so benikwazi uyenza izinto. So my husband got home, he cooked, and then I decided to no and kalambi to later on. So around 11, I think one thing about silala very late. So around 11ish. Was it around 11? I think it was around let me say it's 11:15. I think I 11:15. So as bandisitya ke ngoku ndisebhedini entyele ebhedini, my husband is just laying next to me, and I'm like, hayibo, ndine-pain elapha ezantsi kwesisu, and ingathi sisisu kuba naxa unesisu xa ulunywa sisisu xa uqala ulunywa sisisu. So the pain was exactly kanjeya, and I'm like, okay, but it's fine, izophinda imke, ndiphinde ndihlale. It came back again, the pain came back again, and I was like, hayi man, ndinesisu. And I was so sure, I was so adamant uba ndinesisu. I kept telling my husband, yo, ndinesisu sana, like isisu ngathi ufuna uye toilet. Yeah, I had eso sisu sinjeya. And okay, I was like, okay, this is the second time ngondiva le pain. Okwesithathu cela sihambe, yabo, cela sesipakishile phofu, but we just need to put a few things ebhegini. Ndithi ba cela sihambe if siphinde zenze ngokwesithathu. Hayibo, third time sana, boom, nazo i-pains. And then ngoku ezibazimane zisiza ziza faster, ezoqala bezi-week, kuze zesibini zibe ngathi, kuze zesithathu ndathi no ways, masambe sana, because I think ndiyalunywa nyani apha. I-date is 7, ixesha I think iziqele 11:15, and ke 22:12, and we're like, masambe, siyahamba ke ngoku, sihambe nyani. And on the way my husband decides he needs to pass by the garage afake petrol. Yo sana egarage, yo uba ukhona umuntu owayendibonile ngalamini, but kwakusebusuku obviously, so I don't think anyone saw me that day. Ndandithwele izandla entloko, ndithi guys, i-pains ke ngoku zi-worse ezibasisegarage, ne? Ndithwala izandla entloko, and I'm like, hi man, this is not happening. Like I feel ba andikho ready okwangoku, bendiready but ngoku again I'm not ready. Sigalele ipetrol sigqibe zime, they stopped like completely. Sihambe. I'm not sure how to describe njani, but from eKhayelitsha, if you're from Cape Town you will know, from eKhayelitsha let's say down to Okozazithule, they only came back xa sikwalanga. Imagine ndisaya eSomerset, yo yangase ndivula iminyango guys, like ingase ndivula umnyango ndiphume ndibethwe ngumoya, like andiyazi, but ingase ndenze something because i-pains zithi ndilapha. And ngoku I'm with my husband and I'm with uImi, andiyazi uba ndizithini, andiyazi. And then they stopped again. Sihambe sithe xa sifika eSomerset, yabona zi-contractions ndiyazibala, zenzekile okokuqala, okwesibini, okwesithathu, zenzeka okwesine xa sifika egarage. Ngokwesihlanu ngoku sigqitha kalanga 5, and ngoku ziyakhawuleza, ngoku asacothi, ziyakhawuleza. Sithi xa silapha endleleni ziphinde, and ngoku ziza and they stop, they come and go, they just come and go. And then ngoku xa before sifike eSomerset ziphinde zitsho, yabo, hayi zi-strong this time, like zi-strong, ingathi ndiyafa. And I'm like, ndifuna umama, hayibo sana, ndimfunela ntoni umama, ngawayephi ngalamini. But ke ndandifuna umama sana, because I felt like bana if umama ngakhona le pain izoba bhetere man, like I need my mom. So nyani ke sifike eSomerset, sixa sifika eSomerset singene egeyithini, siboniswe ke abuze uhappy bana iphi icala maternity, I think wabuze icala maternity, and then bambonisa. Yo zathi ndilapha ke ayinethi imvula, it's raining cats and dogs, it's raining, yeva. The date is 7. No, it says 6. No, I think sayibethula 12. Yes, sayibethula 12 ngelo xesha. I think yayizi past 12, maybe 20 past 12. Let's say maybe 20 past 12, 25 past 12, around that time. I-pains ke ngoku guys zithi ndilapha, aziyeki ke ngoku. And then guys, if ukhona umuntu ophangela eSomerset apha okanye ukhona unesi ophangela eSomerset, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to bash your job or to say anything, ne? But I'm just sharing experience that I got at Somerset. This is the second time ndibelekele Somerset. The first time everything was just so smooth, but andiyazi, but beku-smooth nangoku, but obviously zoba khona ezo zinto here and there. So when you got to the hospital, my husband was like, sana uyaphuma emotweni, and he runs to him, andazi noma ngo-security, I think ngo-security abayana, maybe it's not their job, andiyazi. And he tells them, mana ucela bamnike i-wheelchair because ndiyaphela, like andisakwazi uhamba ngoku. Sana awaphola amantombazana eSomerset, not amantombazana, let me say abasize because amantombazana sounds disrespectful. abaphola abasisisana, he's like he just needs a wheelchair for uba azondipusha to le ndawo ndifuneka ndisiwe kuyo, because obviously you can already see uba andizolenza ixesha to kule ndawo funeka ndiye kuyo because ndiyaphela. Bani ndaphuma emotweni, guys, I opened the door, ndaphuma emotweni. So apha xa ndigqiba uphuma emotweni kwipali yombane, like ipali yombane but eyenziwe ngento engathi isament, ndaguqa guys phaa kulaa pali yombane, ndathi andizokwazi and ingathi ndizozalela apha kule ndawo ngo, because I can feel uba umntana uyeza. Hayi sana abasisi bamile bame emnyango, hayi phakama because kuyanetha awuzukwa, like imvula itsho kum guys. Hey, you guys have no idea. Imvula itsho kum iyagalela, ndiguqile elo xesha ndivule imilenze. I'm like andizokwazi, and like even my husband is begging me uba phakama baby, at least ungene ngaphakathi. Ndithi you don't understand, le pain ndikuyo awuyifili, so awuyazi, so stop saying mala mandiphakame. But like elo xesha I'm not crying but ndiyazifila uba ndifuna ulila. Amamile abasisi emnyango uba mabaze ne-wheelchair dololo, because I feel uba if babeze ne-wheelchair ngela xesha sasifika sasingazude sibe kule situation. Nyhani ke ndaphakama ndazama ucothoza because i-wheelchair abade baze nayo, abafuni uza nayo. Somerset Hospital, guys, if uphangela uSomerset ndiyacela please be kind to your patients, please. Noba usi-security noba uyintoni but please, phofu maybe ayingomsebenzi wabo uba mabaze ne-wheelchair, I don't know, like andiyazi, but that was the situation. So ndicothoza ke, ndizama ucothoza andibambe umyeni wam, my husband is holding me ke ngokubana zama baby, zama uhamba. Le ndawo sisaya kuyo guys kusafuneka siqale siwokhe siye liftini, sifike silinde ilift. After yho nazofika njani guys, ndithe ndisagqitha yabona kule ndawo ye-waiting, kule ndawo abantu abalindela kuyo, andazoba balindela kuyo abantu babo okanye balindela kuyo xa kutheni, but kule ndawo abantu babalindela kuyo ndawa phantsi ndaguqa ngamadolo. Oh okay, ndithe xa ndingena, xa ndigondiguqe phaa phandle, lasi-security wandibuza uba amanzi sebegqabhukile, and I was like no. Wathi bana hayi kaloku umntana akakazuza ngoku amanzi engekagqabhuki. Ndithi mna ndiyamva sisi uba uyeza, like ndiyamva guys, I know my body, ndiyamva uba umntana uyeza. Ndithe xa ndingena ke ngoku ndigqitha phaa kulaa ndawo ehleli, imagine abantu guys, everyone is there watching the scene. uThixo sana makakandiphe anenzele inceba uba ndibe ne-medical aid sana, because wow, experience endayifumana eSomerset was not wow. So ndaguqa phaa kulaa ndawo, ndiguqe andiyazi uba ndandibonisa njani but ndiguqe ngamadolo, ndingathi ndileli ngesisu apha phantsi. Kwathi bhaa amanzi, ngabhuka amanzi. Imagine everyone is there, everyone is watching me. Okay, it was bad ngumntu oneentloni ke sana. If there's anyone owandibonayo ngala mini, I'm sorry you had to see all that. But I feel about security babakhe beza ne-wheelchair bandibalekise kule ndawo ndibelekela kuyo, amanzi azothe gqabhuka ndibe sendifikile phaa kulaa ndawo ndibelekela kuyo. Only then badecide uba mabaze ne-wheelchair after kugqabhuke amanzi. Only then badecide uba hayi masimfunele i-wheelchair ngoku serious nyhani. Andisakwazi, ndibambe isandla ke ngoku, isandla sam esi ndibambe so apha ngaphantsi, and ndiyayiva intloko ukuba nantsi it's coming, like ndiyayiva. Hayi ke bandibalekisa ke sebeququzela ke ngoku because bayoyika ba ndiyabaxelela uba lo mntana uzophuma and uzophumela apha, and ndiyamva and nantsi intloko ndiyibambile ndiyayiva. Hayi ke baququzela ke ngoku, wheelchair yenza ke ngoku, wheelchair babaleka ke ngoku, sekubalekwa ke ngoku. Lucky safika ilift ivulile, because ilift zasesibhedlele, one thing about them ziyalindwa sana. So I think ndaba nelucky safika ilift zivuliwe, khawuleza nangena. As soon as ndingena wabe seyikhwaza ke security ba delivery babe sebesizoneza bese ndobekwe ebhedini. Guys, ndithe ndifike ebhedini ndavula imilenze kwathiwa push kayi-1, and that was it. Ndipushe kayi-1 qha, khange ndisafarishe with upusha, khange ndithini. Ndiyava uba ndithi ndibambe so, ndibambe isandla sam esi sibambe so, sibambela ntloko uba mayingaphumi. And then ngoku they're like bana don't push, stop pushing. And I'm like, I'm not pushing. Uyazipusha ngokwakhe, because unpush, I'm not doing anything. Uyazizela ngokwakhe. Ndathi xa ndifike ebhedini bangona besithi push ke ngoku. Ndapusha wathi putya umntanam waphuma. Ndixelela ngaloo experience enjalo ke guys. And ke ngoku it's so unfortunate that I couldn't vlog the moment because everything happened so fast. Imagine ndilunywe, let's say ndilunywe from 11:15, ne? And I gave birth at 22:01, 00:33. 0033 20 to 1. Yes. Also, I was praying, bana andifuni abantwana, like I'm now, for me, andibafuna abantwana abazalwa ngedate eyi-1. That's just me, guys. Like indim, I'm not saying bana there's anything wrong with that. Andibafuna abantwana abazalwa ngemini eyi-1. So our second daughter, which is Upiwa, my husband's daughter, uzalwa nge-6 kaJune. And I prayed bana i-due date yam kuba inge-9, andifuni uba azalwe nge-6 kaJune. At least ke makafike before uba uyafika, makafike nge-5 okanye ke afike nge-7 okanye ke ayofika ngaloo 9 kaJune yakhe. But andifuni uba azalwe ngemini eyi-1 with Upiwa. Even if it was with Uimi, I wouldn't want any other child to have the same birth date as Uimi. I wouldn't want omnye umntana abe the same date as lo. Oh, sorry guys for the noise. I'm so sorry. I wish maybe khona indlela benoyithulisa ngayo, but unfortunately andizokwazi. So nyani uThixo wayiva imithandazo yam, and I only gave birth on the 7th. And imagine I gave birth 0033. Ibinokwenzeka uba ndibeleke nge-6, but ke uThixo wathi no. So that was the experience, guys. I couldn't vlog properly because yonke into yenzeke so quick. I had told myself bana ndizobeleka nge-9, and xa ndizobeleka nge-9 maybe ndandizolunyiswa, I don't know. So xa ndilunyisiwe, I think it was going to be much easier to vlog because ndandizobe ndiyazi what to expect. But ngoku bendinokwazi nokubamba ifowuni guys ndivloge because the pains were there, and my husband on the other hand was driving, and also everything just happened so fast. Ndifika esibhedlele mna guys khange ndigowe through neza process zoba ufakwa amabhanti, eza process zoba kuthiwa 10 centimeter uku-5 centimeter. No, I did not have to go through that. I did not. Fika esibhedlele, gave birth, ndapusha, and then ndabanazo ke obviously ndiye ndasikeka ke then ndathungwa, but ndizibelekele normal birth, ndathungwa, and then khange ndihlale esibhedlele, ndibeleke namhlanje ndaphuma kanamhlanje. So there were no complications with delivery yam. Like umntana was okay, Nama was also okay. So yeah guys, I'm so sad that I don't have the vlog, the actual vlog, like e-vlog yet birth. But I hope you guys understand. I tried compiling something for you guys, and I hope again nizoenjoy ngayo. If it was up to me, bendizonika the whole experience of ubeleka and all that. But unfortunately ke yonke into evese yenzeka ngoku apha phambi kwethu, and we couldn't do anything about it. So yeah guys, I'm still trying to juggle between having to be a mom, where when I say a toddler, man, she's no longer a toddler, I'm not sure what she is, and being a mom to a newborn. Kunzima kona, but I'm getting used to it. As my yamba, I am really getting used to it, and I'm so happy that I have Uimi. As much as I don't want lando yoba ndibe ngathi ndimthwalisa umthwalo, but ingase kum if ufuna uba umntana ambambe xa kufuna yena, not because ndim othi makambambe. I'm not sure if you guys get. Mayibe nguye osemdleni wokwenza into for umntana, ingabi ndim ba like she's forced. I don't want her to feel about forced uba yenze izinto for umntana. Oh, by the way, I didn't share the name with you guys. Igama lakhe nguUphile. Her dad gave me the name Uphile. I gave her the name Esothando, and Uimi gave her the name Milani. So Uphile Esothando, Milani Ludit. That's my baby's names. You are Asana. I've been yapping and yapping. That's just about it. I wanted to share the experience with you guys. If kukhona umuntu that's still expecting love and light sana, ndikuthandazisa ba ufumane i-birth smooth, especially those people ababelekele public hospital sana, or even non-nurse base public hospital abekho kind guys. But I'm just praying ba wena ufumane nurse or kind. But otherwise yonke into izoba right, uzodeliverisha umntana wakho kakuhle in Jesus name. Umntana uzophuma right engenazo kwa i-complications. Siyathandaza, must be all about praying. Siyathandaza qha apha, like ayikho enye into esiyenzayo. Yonke into siyinikela kuThixo ba nguye uzasideliverishela imithandazo yethu. So yeah my loves, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I know it's messy, but guys, I promise I'm gonna give you something better next time. I wanted to give you something, so that's why I'm gonna vlog. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will like, you will comment, you will share, and also guys, you need money. They're dura inepi, so I need all the coins. ngicela nindenzele ifavor ningaskiphi ads. That's all I'm asking. Even if you watch maybe ads as you two for a video, that's still fine. Just 2 ads and then I'm fine. I'm good to go. So yeah, I am gonna see you guys on the next one. Let me just chill with my baby girl. Ulele sana. She decided that she wants to sleep. Okay, she's still wearing as a colors. She's still wearing colors as my boys, but ke umama ke made a plan. But afumane something better. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. I love you guys so much.
High volume. Am I really that